Welcome to the tutorials for the SONAPHONE DataSuite software. In this video, I would like to explain how to start the software. The SONAPHONE DataSuite software is a web application. This means that a virtual server has to be started in order to display the software in the browser. To start the virtual server, click on the Start Server Program file. When the virtual server has started successfully, a system tray icon will appear in the system tray of your screen. Right-click on the system tray icon. This option, Start DataSuite, will be shown in order to open the software. The login screen is displayed in the browser and you can enter your login details. Here's another practical tip. Simply double-click the system tray icon to open the software in the browser.